Hello, everyone. A while ago, I applied for my new passport and it came in. I'm not gonna show you too much. Hello, everyone. A while ago, I applied for my new passport and it came in today. I'm not gonna show you too much because it has some, private stuff in it, obviously, such as a passport number. But I just want to show you what it looks like, the new one, in depth. Not in depth, but like just quickly, and compare it to the previous one. So this is a new one. As you can see, it's a bit bigger. It has 32 visa pages instead of 30. It's a bit thicker here with personal information. And yeah, of course, it's new and shiny. You have the crest, the country, and bell. So that is what it looks like. And this is my previous passport. As you can see, it's 7 years old. It's a bit older. They cut it out here and they put in ongeldig, which means invalid stamp, so I can't use it anymore. And this is my very first passport. I lost it after like a year, so it looks pretty new. But as you can see, it's here. It's different on the side. I actually like this better than the new one, but I do like the bell. And with the previous passport, as you can see, it's a very thin page that they used. And now they used a bit of a thicker page here. But my favorite thing about this passport, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's probably the first time I actually feel proud to be Belgian. But within the passport pages, as I said before, there are 32 visa pages now instead of 30. And it features comics, Belgian heritage. No, not fries and mayonnaise and chocolates, but comics, as I will show you. This is one of the pages. This is Kiekaboo, a really good comic. Not so known internationally. As you can see here, these are the colors of the Belgian flag. Black, red, and yellow. And I think they're in Times Square. And here at the end of the passport, as well as the beginning, you have Kingdom of Belgium and Tintin's Rocket. And then here, the famous atomium. As you can see, if your sight's really good, here it says from what comic it is. And then probably I will show you the most famous Belgian comic is probably the Smurfs. And my personal favorite is Jommeke. I don't think a lot of you know who Jommeke is, but this is Jommeke. So this is the new passport. I'm not going to show you too much of it, but basically that's what it looks like. As I've stated as well, here you also have the rocket. I'm covering this because that's my passport number. But this is it, and it looks pretty cool. It did increase a bit in price, I think, from my last passport. I paid 85 euros. This was 90, so it's not a lot, but still. So yeah, this is a new passport. If you're a Belgian citizen or you have Belgian nationality and you need a passport soon, this one, I think it's available since February 7, which also happens to be my birthday.